want to show you in this video called Backing Up GPOs very simply how to back up and restore group policy objects, because you will hear about this on the exam most likely. It's a simple process, but I want you to see it. If I click on Start, go to Administrative Tools, then open Group Policy Management. Actually, before I do that, let's do something a little different here. Let's go out to the computer. You actually should create a folder, and I'm just going to call this GPO, if I could spell it right, Backups. So GPO Backups. Now I will open Group Policy Management, and we're going to back up our GPOs to that folder we just created. Now the plan is here we're going to back them up to that folder, and then we will make sure that that folder gets included in the backup that goes wherever our backup jobs are going, however you're taking care of that. On this exam, it's going to be the Windows Server backup. In real life, it may be some third-party app that you're using. So here's what I'm going to do. Notice the container Group Policy Objects. I will right-click and choose Backup All, and it's going to say, where do you want to put it? Well, I can browse and put it in the GPO Backups folder and say OK. And then I can put a description here if I would like, and notice if there's been any other backups I can choose those other locations, but I'll use GPO Backups, and then I'll click Backup. And notice it won't take it very long, and there it is. That 4 GPOs that I have all been backed up, and we're done. And if I go back out to drive C and look in my GPO backups, you will see that I have some information out here. What if I want to restore one of these? I right-click and I choose Manage Backups, not Restore, but I choose Manage Backups. And let's say Mark, I want to restore this Mark GPO. I tell it where it is, and I can browse out to it if I would like, but it's in this folder. And I simply say Restore. And it succeeded. Piece of cake, right? Now notice also I can open this and view it. Okay. And Internet Explorer is going to mess with me here. Okay. But you can see that I can see the settings inside there, inside a browser if I want to, just by clicking on View Settings. So I can make sure I have the right one. So that's pretty much it. Piece of cake, but you need to see that, and they will ask you about it. One thing to watch, you do restore a GPO, but you do it by managing backups. Go through there, play with that a couple of times. You'll be good to go on that on the exam.